Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. I believe these are some of the wet text. The original 10 packs Swedish super absorbent dishcloth. And then the second one is the Goshi exfoliating shower towel. And then the third one is Aligu Uno Project Super Starter Kit with tutorial and Uno R3 compatible with Arduino IDE. I think it's a special electronic engineering pack that my son got. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then unbox this and show you guys what we got here. So my son got this for the to-go travel shower towel. And it is made in Japan. Goshi. Here's the UPC code, the barcode. Let's go and then open one up and see. Not sure how this thing is gonna dry you. It is pretty thin and kind of see-through. So I'll probably test it out and see how it goes. And this is the original Wet Text Classic. 100% biodegradable and compositable. So we got the yellow, pink, green, yellow, blue, yellow, pink, green, yellow, blue. Wow, this one's pretty heavy. Try to see if I could save this bag for future shipping. Wow, look at this kit. So this one's a super starter kit, Uno R3 project. So I got the nice case, got the company's logo engraved on the orange lock. Wow, here's the parts list. Cool. Ooh, got the resistor, got the LEDs, RGB LED 2 pieces, thermal, diode, rectifier, photoresistor, you got the NPN resistor, 9-volt battery with a snap-on connector, clip 1 piece, and you got the breadboard jumper, 65 piece. Got the female to male down pont wire, USB cable. You got the A30 type point breadboard, 1 piece. Or even come with the remote control. And then tilt ball switch, passive buzzer, got the IC chip, probably to program, and then another IC chip, got the button, 5 of those, potentiometer, got the digit 7 segment display, and the other one is 4 digit. Active buzzer, and it also come with the fan blade and then a motor, 3 to 6 volt, ultrasonic sensor, temperature and humidity module, joystick module, IR receiver module, 5-volt relay 1 piece. And this is an awesome kit. And you got the LCD module with the pin header, phototype expansion module, power supply module, and a stepper motor driver module, stepper motor, servo motor, and I come with the CD. It has a PDF, code, and libraries. Wow, come with all this massive wiring with the color coded. Wow, pretty sharp. And here's a fan blade, like a clear joystick. And you got the motor. Got the display, remote, oh, this is the joystick, the servo. And then you got a different value of the resistor. Got the 9-volt connector. And then here's the breadboard. It is made in China. And it has a double-sided tape right here. Got the positive, minus. Yeah, this one look exactly same as my breadboard when I was in college taking engineering. And then there's more color cables. Got the silica gel. And it comes with a 9-volt battery. This one's an extra heavy battery. Got the color LEDs. And more of the parts, button, the dials. And then you got a capacitor and an IC chip and then a buzzer. And this is the fan motor. IC chip over here already. Oh, this is the servo right here. So yeah, this one looks like a power supply switch. Sounded like a relay. Then potassium meter right here. And then you got the 4 display or the single display. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.